This is the cordless leaf blower. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. Just put it together. It's a really nice leaf blower. It's made very well. It went together in less than 5 minutes. It's packaged up really nicely. That's the box that it comes in, so it ships in a very small box. They have everything nice and organized in there. Just keep in mind this leaf blower does not come with a battery. You do need to get your own battery pack. I thought I had a battery pack, but the one I had did not fit, so I'm unable to start this thing up, but overall it looks very nice. I like the fact that it has 6 different speeds right here, and it's just very easy to control them right here. You just see it has just this turn knob right here. You could go from 1 to 6, and it's got the trigger right here to start it up. And then these go on really nice. They just flip right on here and they lock in right there. You can see it has like an L, so each one locks right in. And I believe you could change this from the 15 inches down to 10 inches. And just overall, very well, nicely made. So if you're looking for a new leaf blower, definitely want to check this out. Looks like it's gonna have some really good CFM movement on here, and definitely want to pick one of these up.